So in today's look we are going to create this beautiful everyday makeup look, my go-to makeup look and hair. So for hair I'm going in with a sleek ponytail today. So I've just used a dry shampoo on my hair, taking a center partition. I'm just combing everything well. Now my scalp is really oily, you guys. Even on the second day of hair wash, my hair completely gets oily only on the scalp area. So I keep my dry shampoos always handy. I've just added a ponytail and that's about it. Now, for skin, we are gonna try something new today for which I'm excited. I'm trying the TAC, the Ayurveda Co. This is a 7% Kumkumari face wash with saffron and 24K gold in it. Now, these are toxin free, sulfate free, paraben free, also for all skin types. Now, the products claim that it gives you a golden glow, healthy and smooth skin, toned and youthful texture. Now the face wash looks something like this. It has that beautiful golden tint to it, as well as it is very nice and foamy. And then I just washed my face. The first thing I noticed after washing my face, guys, my face had that immediate instant glow. Can you see that glow? I was just loving that glow, and yes, it definitely made my skin look very smooth. Now let's talk about the sunscreen. The sunscreen is very interesting, you guys. Why is it interesting? Because it has, first thing, neem extract in it. After that, they say it is a SPF 50, which is a very nice thing. And the best part is this is a mattifying sunscreen. So I was telling, this is a mattifying sunscreen. Comes with a SPF of 50, broad spectrum UVE, UVB, PA++, and it is a oil free protection. Now guys, first thing, I was very confused with the texture of it and I didn't understand it. But then once I started applying this on my face, oh my god, this is so nice, you guys. Literally no white cast at all, and it is so mattifying. It literally feels like you're applying a primer on your face. It did give me nice, like smooth blurring effect on my face, and I'm in love with this sunscreen now. Next, I'm using my orange corrector. So for orange corrector, I'm using this PAC orange corrector, and I'm just correcting my under eye area. Then I'm just using a concealer. Now for everyday basis, honestly, I do not like applying a full face of foundation. I just like applying a high coverage concealer instead, and I do not apply the concealer on all, like your entire face. I'm applying it only on the areas that I have problem on. So now what I'm doing is I'm applying it on the mouth area, face. Taking my kabuki brush, I'm gonna blend everything really well. Since this is a high coverage concealer, it helps me cover all my dark circles and pigmentation. And whatever product is left on the brush, I just apply it on the other parts, like on my cheeks and my forehead. The most important thing for me in makeup is filling in your eyebrows. So I'm just taking a spoolie, combing my eyebrows upward and then filling it using this Faces Canada kajal pencil to fill it. This is such a nice brow pencil, you guys. It's so creamy and the color is so perfect for a skin tone like mine. So I'm just filling in with this pencil. Alright, once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my liquid highlighter today. So for which I'm using the Miss Claire liquid highlighter. Honestly, this highlighter is slightly a little bit chunky, but then it does a good job of highlighting on my face. So I'm just going to apply this highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbone, tip of the nose, start of the nose. Now generally when I'm using liquid highlighters, I hear my like people just ask me that when they're applying a liquid highlighter, the highlighter transfer back, or the foundation itself transfer back on their finger. So guys, the only thing you're doing wrong is you're applying a lot of pressure. Just give a very low pressure when you're applying creamy or liquidy products, and they should do good on your skin. Now I've just taken a mid-tone brown shade here. You can take any eyeshadow you want, and applying it all over my eyelids like so. And then I'm just going to blend this all out with the help of a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can use your finger also to do so. Next, I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal. It has a beautiful thin precise wand in it, and I'm gonna apply a very thin layer of eyeliner. Generally, you guys know I'm more like, I love applying kajal and trying to make it smoky. It's been a long time that I've used a liquid liner, so today I just had the mood to. That's why I'm using this liner. Today I didn't want to wear any sort of kajal, so what I'm gonna do after this is I'm just going to take a small pencil brush. If you don't have a brush, again you can use your finger. So I'm just taking a small pencil brush with the same brown shade. I'm applying that on my lower lash line. Next up, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics mascara. This mascara is really nice. It gives your lashes a nice uplift effect. Okay, once I'm done with that, now it's time for me to apply a little bit of blush, for which I'm using the NY Bay liquid blush, and I'm just patting that really well onto my skin. I love applying the blush a little bit on my nose, so I'm applying it there also. Last, to set everything in place, I'm using the Swiss Beauty translucent powder, and I'm just setting everything in place here. Since I'm from oily skin, I'm using a lot of powder. If you're a dry skin, use a very minimal amount of powder and set it only on your under eyes, forehead, and a little bit of mouth area. That should be enough. For lipstick, today I'm using this lipstick from My Glam in the shade Red Diva. I love this lipstick. It has a tint of orange to it, and it makes my skin tone look beautiful in it. So yeah, this is it, you guys. If you do like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do follow me on my Instagram. And do let me know, do you like watching such simple looks, or you want me to create more bold looks? Thank you.